Hello, this is Video Game Champions 11 here. Welcome back to another video. This is the third video of the day since I started recording, so that's good. And today I'm going to be showing you a few things from, it's a Civil War soldier arsenal, because I love Civil War and I love history and all that stuff. So, first thing I want to show you is the general hat. I have the general hat, but I have a private hat somewhere around my room somewhere. So this cool thing, you're gonna spin this, and there's a sticker that you can rip off if you want. Just can wear it, it's pretty awesome. Fits good. So it's a hat. Next we have the revolver. It's what generals mostly used, or cavalrymen. That's this, which breaks it down and lets you look in there. You can put caps in there. It's a cap gun, of course. And then just put that back. You can also shoot it with caps, see, like that. I don't know if it's pretty loud. Camera. So that's pretty cool revolver. And now we have the best part, the musket. Springfield 1855 musket. So it's third Kentuckian rifle. It's 37 inches long. Like that. So of course it cocks back, and you put pull-off caps on the piece right here. Then you pull the hammer back like that, and then you're ready to fire. So let's get like that. You can just keep doing that. It's pretty cool. Let me show you the other side then. So let's move this around. Then the sight, I can fit it on here. Kinda not though. So it's like pretty cool actually. So I recommend getting this. You can get it on Amazon for about like $25. I'm getting a replica of a real one for my graduation 1 or 2 years. And there's brass or copper here for the hole in the barrel. It's made out of metal and wood. So I recommend that. Then the revolver is Paris revolver. It's about $10 on Amazon. It's pretty cool. It comes with like a leather case, I forgot, and a buckle. So that's awesome. Then the hat, you can get maybe $15, $20. It's a general hat. So if you like want to buy stuff, if you have money, and if you're interested in this, remember to subscribe, like, and comment on my video if you're getting this or not. So I'm gonna end this video here. So thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you all later. Goodbye, everybody.